Hello friends, for today's video, let's draw Captain Dog, a character in Peppa Pig. Let's begin by drawing the shape of Captain Dog's hat that has an anchor on it. Next, the shape of his face. Captain Dog enjoys nothing more than being at sea, exploring and looking for treasure and fish. Then, his eyes with eyebrow. Let's draw his nose, his mustache and lip. Next, his cheek. I'm drawing the shape of his body. Captain Fox opened his eyes. Hi, Captain. Let's draw his arms and hands. Have you also been cruising the seas in a ship? Wow, that's cool. Next, his tail. Then, his legs and shoes. I'm excited. Together, let's add color to Captain Dog. Let's add white, blue and gray color to his hat, a black to his nose and brown to his cheek, a gray-brown color to his face. Captain Dog is waving at you. A blue color to his navy outfit. Do you dream of becoming a sea captain someday? Captain Sea Explorer isn't just a captain, they're a navigator of dreams, a friend to the waves, and a master of the seas. Whether steering the ship, discovering islands, or singing sea shanties, the captain turns every voyage into a sea of endless fun. A gray-brown color to his arms, hands, tail, and legs, and a black color to his shoes. We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.